If I use these settings, it ruins my shot. So I'm going to use these settings on auto. I just don't get the manual shutter and ISO. As we're filming with firmware V01.04.0810 and adjustments on my settings in Pro, I changed it just a little. The sun is above about 2 o'clock position. I'm gonna ride into the marsh to see what it will look like. Give a little bit different shades and depths in field of view. Well, have to hop on over. Now we're able to get somewhere. Give you an idea of the smoothness with the rock steady and all. And we'll head on back the same way, same settings, so you get an idea what it did to and from. We'll head down to the bleachers and we'll give a little talk. Now the sun is right there, like this. I don't love the angle of my camera facing like this. I'm not sure if it's capturing all of me. I'm on 4K 60, scene stabilization sport. I have my shutter speed 1/200, EV value on the -0.7 side with the auto white balance set to manual at 5600 Kelvin. I tried setting the shutter speed and ISO to about 400 in the manual, but it overexposed my shot of the sky. I don't understand it. So if I would hit exposure value and put it on automatic, that would make it work for me. But putting it on manual, the shutter, EV value, and ISO, they all don't work together. I don't see it. I don't get it. And there you have it. Those are my settings. That's what I set today with the latest firmware, V01.04.0810. All these numbers, man, they just get to you. And you'll decide if it's right for you. I think I'm happy with it. I got no choice now. And it looks pretty good. This is silver, not the best shot for the camera, but I'm on there. Maybe the spikes are bothering you. I don't think they're there. I do want to go to a shaded tree, but somebody's right over there. So I'll go find another spot, maybe right over there, and continue to talk. Maybe this is the spot right here. Sun's still over there, a lot of shade. Gives you an idea what it looks like. If it's something that you are looking for. Well, you decide if the update's right for you. Well, I'm happy with it. I'm not complaining about it. Well, at least you got a couple of examples, shots, scenarios. People don't like seeing a photo grab of a video. Well, I did not take a photo for you. Why is my camera falling down like this? Why are you slipping down out of... That bird just went right by the thing. Let me go fix everything here. L 16:9 with 2-second delay. Reasons for that is nothing shakes. Maybe the little spies are flying by, those little drones. Well, I shared my fun, showed my fun, shared my story. And I hope to see you on the next one. I don't think I'm gonna be putting it on the scooter. Falls down like that. I got my shots in a nice area, nice beautiful blue sky. Am I evaluating to you? I'm 8 feet from the camera. Well, it shouldn't be spiking. Trees shouldn't stop it. Later. I'm on smooth surface. I'm gonna hit some bumps. I don't want to put a double clamp on this and stick you out or go get the Insta X5. Sun's behind you. Never get rid of flares. Well, there you have it. You got it done all. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out of here.